4xyp is equal to how much we'll get? P cube plus 8y square, isn't it? So x is equal to p cube by 4yp plus 8y square by 4yp. Cancel ಆಗೋ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 4 1s are 4 2s are, y with the square, p with the cube. So remaining term I am writing as it is, p square by 4y plus 2y by p. ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ? Just check whether it is correct or not.
Yes sir, correct.
So call this as equation number 1. Next step, we have to differentiate with respect to y. Dx by dy, 1 by 4 I am keeping as it is. First function p square as it is. Differentiation of second function 1 by y, that is minus 1 by y square, plus 1 by y as it is. Differentiation of p square is 2p dp by dy, plus 2 I am keeping outside. First function as it is. Differentiation of second function is minus 1 by p square dp by dy, plus 1 by p as it is. Differentiation of y is 1. Now substitute the value of dx by dy. Carefully remove all the terms. Plus of minus minus, p square by 4y square plus 2p by 4y dp by dy, plus into minus minus, 2y by p square dp by dy plus 2 by p. Just check this whether we have removed all the brackets properly or any terms is missing.
It's correct sir.
So bring ಯಾವ್ದಾವ್ದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, you cancel those terms now. Here 2 and 4 with 2. Any term, any other term? No. So bring all the like terms together. 1 by p minus 2 by p plus p square by 4y square, okay, minus p by 2y dp by dy plus 2y by p square dp by dy is equal to 0. So what will be the LCM now? What will be the answer for both of this? Minus 1 by p, is it not? 1 by p minus 2 by p is how much? P is LCM 1 minus 2, that is minus 1 by p.
Minus 1 by p.
So that term I have written. Now p by 2y, what common you rewrite this first of all. Plus term, okay, this term you write first as first one. Andre this idu first ಬರೀರಿ, ಇದು second ಬರೀರಿ, because you have plus and minus over there. So here 2y by p square minus p by 2y dp by dy. Any doubt in this what I did? ಇದನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇದನ್ನ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದನ್ನ ಇವಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಇದನ್ನ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ವಿತ್ p by 4y square minus 1 by p plus 2y by p square minus p by 2y dp by dy is equal to 0. ಹಾಂ, ಈ ಥರ ಬಂದಾಗ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಯು ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ. ಲುಕ್ ದ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್. ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಪಿ ಬೈ ವೈ ಎರಡು ಟರ್ಮು ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಡಿ ಪಿ ಬೈ ಡಿ ವೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪಿ ಇಂದ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್, ವೈ ಇಂದ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಂದರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್, ಪಿ ಬೈ 2y I'll get minus 2y by p square. Why I am doing that? Because p by y ಅನ್ನೋದು ಈ ಟರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ p by y ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ದಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಹಿಯರ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್. ಸೊ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನಿಂದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಐ ಶುಡ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇನ್ ಕಾಮನ್. ನೌ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆಸ್ 1 by p of whole thing. Now you can see, no, p is there in the numerator, p is there, y is there, y is there. Now what we can do, in the denominator just see, in the denominator you have p square over here, you have p only here. ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ವಾ, ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್, ಈ ಏನೋ somebody told something. ಹೇಳಿ.
Once again, sir.
ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ?
Same step, sir.
ಸೇಮ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿರೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ತಾನೇ, ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ. ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಯಾವುದಾವುದು, ಪಿ ಬೈ ವೈ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಲಿ ಅಂತ. ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಪಿ ಬೈ ವೈ, ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಪಿ ಬೈ ವೈ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಲಿ ಅಂತ. ಇದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಈ ಕಡೆ ತೊಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಥರ ಬರೆದ ಮೇಲೆ ಫರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್, ಲುಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟರ್ಮ್. ಯಾವುದು, ಪಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಪಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಪಿ ಅಗೈನ್. ಸೊ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಪಿ, p square by 4y square minus 1 by p. All the terms I am writing as it is. In the next step we will multiply those terms inside. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಟು ಮೇಕ್ p square and p equal ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ. So now you multiply this inside here and here as well. Numerator as it is, p square by 4y square, p I'll get here, minus 1 by p, okay, minus p by 2y minus 2y by p square. dp by dy is equal to 0. ಯಾವ್ದಾವ್ದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇವಾಗ, p with the square will get cancelled. Remaining term you write as it is, p by 4y square minus 1 by p minus p by 2y minus 2y by p square. So this ಇಲ್ಲಿ p square ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವ, ಇದು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
So now again check the terms. ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, p square we got equal here also, here also. Now come to the numerator, just see 2y is there here, here I have 1. So 2y ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ what I can do now, multiply and divide by 2y. Are you getting 4y square minus 1 by p square minus all the terms I am writing as it is, 2y by p square dp by dy is equal to 0. See, if I multiply this 2y inside now, I will get this term now. ಹೌದಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? So denominator 2y I am keeping as it is, numerator 2y ನ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. So I will get 4y square minus 2y again divided by p square minus p by 2y minus 2y by p square dp by dy is equal to 0. ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾವ್ದಾವ್ದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇವಾಗ? ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ, ಯಾವ್ದಾವ್ದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ?
p by 2y.
2 with 4, I'll get y with the square. So p by 2y as it is, remaining term I am writing as it is p by 2y minus 2y by p square minus p by 2y minus 2y by p square dp by dy is equal to 0. So same banta ಎರಡುವೆ. So once we get same values, we can take common 2y by p square. Remaining term, what is remaining?
p by 2
p by 2y minus dp by dy is equal to 0. So we will neglect this term. We will solve p by 2y minus dp by dy is equal to 0. So this can be written as dp by dy is equal to p by 2y, and separating the variables again, dp by y and dp by p and dy by 2y. So this is log p, this is ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತಿದ್ದು? log y plus log c. So you can keep the 2 over here to avoid any mess up. You just cross multiply the 2 on the left hand side, you will get 2 log p. Okay, this is log y plus log c. Log m plus n is log m into n, that we can write it as log yc. This you can write it as log p square. Okay, p square is equal to yc. P is equal to plus or minus square root of yc. Is it correct, guys?
Yes, sir.
So p value
Yes,
we
sir.
have got. This is our equation number 2. What was our equation number 1? Has anybody written? So put 2 in 1. Equation number 1 ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇದು
p square by 4y.
ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ,
x is equal to p square by 4y.
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. That is in x is equal to, tell me that equation.
p square by 4y
p square by,
plus 4y.
just ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಬ್ರು ಹೇಳಿ.
p square by 4y
p square by 4y
plus 2y by p.
plus 2y by p. Substitute the values now. So here you will get square root of y c whole square divided by 4y plus or minus, you can take here 2y by square root of y c. So this square and square root will get cancelled. yc by 4y plus or minus 2y by square root of yc. So x is equal to y will get cancelled, c by 4 plus or minus 2y by square root of yc. Either you can keep it here, or still we can further solve. How we can solve? Taking LCM again. Okay, this will be c square root of yc plus or minus 2y into 4 by 4 square root of yc. Just check whether it is correct. LCM. ಇದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇದನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇದನ್ನೆರಡನ್ನು ಟುಗೆದರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇಡಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ x 4x square root of yc. Here you have c square root of yc plus or minus 8y. Okay, square root of yc ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಸೊ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್. yc minus c square root of yc is equal to 8y we have. Okay, ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಟೇಕ್ ದೋಸ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್. 4x minus c square root of yc is equal to 8y. ನಾವು ಈ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ನ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ we can do squaring on both sides. So I'll get yc over here is equal to 64y square. Okay, this y and square will get cancelled. This is 4x minus c whole square. Remaining term is c 64y. So you can keep this answer as the general solution of the given differential equation.